Welcome to our channel, where we explore the wonders of the world. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most iconic structures in the world, the Great Pyramid of Giza. Before we start, if you are interested in our content, do not forget to support us with a like and subscribe to the channel to encourage us to publish more. The Great Pyramid was built in 4500 BC. It took about 20 years to build the Great Pyramid. The Great Pyramid weighs about 6.3 million tons. The number of stones used in its manufacture is about 2.5 million tons. The average weight of a single stone is about 2.6 tons. There are some used stones weighing about 10 to 15 tons, and no one knows yet how the ancient Egyptians were able to raise these stones to such heights using the primitive means that were available at the time of building the pyramid. No type of mortar, which is the material that is used for gluing and sticking stones such as cement, confinement, etc., was used in the construction of the Great Pyramid. Rather, the stones were glued through the technique of vacuuming air between the stones. This method has not yet been used in construction due to its extreme difficulty and high cost, as modern science has not yet reached a way to use this method with stones of these sizes and weights and to reach these heights. The height of the pyramid is about 149 meters. When you multiply the height of the Great Pyramid x 100,000, 149 times 1 million equals 149 million. It is the average distance of the Earth from the Sun. The area of the Great Pyramid is about 53,000 square meters. The Great Pyramid is located on a point on the Earth's surface located exactly one-third of the distance between the equator and the North Pole. The four corners of the base of the Great Pyramid represent approximately 90 degrees, with a very small difference that must be achieved in carving stones so far, despite our technological progress. The orbit that passes through the Great Pyramid divides the continents and oceans into two completely equal halves. From here, the Great Pyramid is located completely in the middle of the world. The four corners of the Great Pyramid point very accurately to the original four directions: east, west, north, south, which made the world adjust its calculations in the middle of the 20th century. The northern and southern entrances to the Great Pyramid were completely facing the orbits of Cancer and Capricorn at the time of its construction. The number of stones of the Great Pyramid x its height, 1,000. 2,500,000 times 149 1,000ths equals 372,500. It is roughly equivalent to the average distance between the Earth and the Moon. If we put a piece of meat inside the pyramid, it does not spoil at all, but rather dries only without spoiling. If we put a rusty razor blade inside the pyramid, it will return as sharp as it was. About 7 years ago, a team of German, Japanese, American and French scientists came to Egypt specialized in Egyptology, astronomy and physics, in addition to a specialized team of engineers with the participation of Egyptian scientists and engineers, in order to try to explore the Great Pyramid and find the main burial chamber of King Khufu, whose location was not even discovered by anyone. Now, using the robot, Asimo, manufactured by the Japanese company, Honda, which represents the latest technology produced by scientists. The scientists came out of the pyramid, after they had been there for several days, and they were amazed and said, "What we saw inside the pyramid of indicators and data shown by our devices shows that we are facing one of two possibilities. The first, that the Great Pyramid has technology that is unknown and mysterious to us, and this technology affects the paths of X-rays, cosmic rays, laser rays, and gamma rays, and makes them follow abnormal and unnatural paths that do not agree with what we know about these rays. The second, that all our information about these types of rays is wrong and incorrect, and it must be reviewed and corrected again in light of our measurements and trajectories that we obtained from inside the Great Pyramid."